Meet SNOOZ, a portable sound machine designed to help you sleep. Inside, a small fan spins to produce peaceful white noise. No looping tracks, no low-quality speakers, just the soothing sound of moving air. Adjust the tone with an easy twist of the outer shell. Dial in your personal sound cocoon with 10 volume settings. Control the nightlight, set a schedule, and protect your little one's ears with a first-ever nursery calibration, all on the SNOOZ companion app. So whether it's for neighbor noise, hotel rooms, or you just like the sound of a fan, SNOOZ can turn your bedroom into a haven for sleep. SNOOZ.